Welcome back to Intruder Security. I am Intruder and I usually share some videos related to tech and cybersecurity. If you are new to this channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will see how hackers stay anonymous, how they hide themselves from others while browsing things. We will see the Tor browser made by the Tor project. Tor project is an open source community which shares free anonymity and privacy technologies. So before we start our video, I recommend you to watch our ethical hacking series playlist if you want to learn ethical hacking. In this video, we are also going to have a giveaway of an Burp Suite professional version, which cost almost $450. I have explained how to enroll in this giveaway somewhere in this video, so make sure you watch this video till end. Now let's get started. As told earlier, Tor Browser is made by Tor project. They ensure the privacy of the user. So how does Tor Browser works? Tor Browser hides your IP address in your browsing history by sending it through a series of different routers or nodes. This is also known as onion routing. Whenever a user searches for something, the data is encrypted at every node. This multiple encryption makes it difficult to find the source or the origin of request. Moreover, Tor Browser does not store any of your history or your session cookies. This is the reason why you need to log into your account every time you launch your Tor Browser. Tor Browser provides multiple levels of security. Even it can help you to connect to the dark web. So now we know how does Tor Browser works, let's install it. The installation step for Windows, Mac, and Linux are almost same. Open up your browser. Search for Tor Browser. Now click on the first link. Here you have the option for which OS you want to install. You can prefer your own OS. Currently I am using Kali Linux, so I can download the Linux version of it. But instead of downloading it from here, I will download it with Terminal. So to do that, open a terminal. First, update your packages by sudo apt update. Let it get downloaded. Now download Tor and Tor Browser by using sudo apt install Tor. Tor Browser -launcher, it will automatically download the Tor Browser. So until it gets installed, let me tell you how you can win the giveaway for this video. So to win the professional version, you have to do is comment down your email. And then share this video on your social platforms like Instagram and tag our channel. One lucky winner will get professional version of Burp for free. The winner will be announced within a month on our Instagram platform and in the comment section. So our Tor browser is installed successfully. Open the browser by going to Application section. Now it will download the Tor browser. Wait for a few minutes. Once you are done downloading, we will have our Tor browser fired up successfully. So before you use Tor browser, you need to connect to Tor network or set up nodes. Tor browser will do it for you. All you need is to tap on this connect button. I will just tick this box to automatically connect to server. Wait for a few seconds, it will automatically start your browser. So we have our browser up and running. To test it, let's search for what is my IP. If I go here, you can see all the nodes in the country they are located in with different IP addresses. Let's open up first link. So you can see that I am currently located in Iran. I have opened the same link in my normal browser, and you can see it's showing India. So this is how you can hide yourself, your real IP addresses, and avoid tracking. I hope you like this short video. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to comment down below your email ID and share this video to enroll in the giveaway.